Welcome to the Vault.
What's going on, guys? It's Damiano with the Vault, and today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price and a few other things. So, taking a look at the Bitcoin price, it's sitting right at this support around 10.5 range, 10.7 right now currently. Sunday, so not much is going on. It's not, Monday through Friday where the market is really moving because, I guess people think you can only trade Monday through Friday, but the weekends, Bitcoin never stops, only the stock market. Taking a look at the bigger picture, we had this movement, this channel, ascendant channel, got to break down. I had this buy zone, it entered the buy zone. We didn't go down and fill the CME gap, which I didn't think we would, but looking like how it was dumping, I thought maybe we could push the CME gap around 96 to 9800 and fill it. The support at 10K was amazing. We're in a bull market, very evident, very clear. The 10K range is holding up strong. I don't see us breaking down below 10K, maybe ever again. I don't think Bitcoin's price will ever be under 10K again. Could be wrong, but that's just what I'm seeing right now. So looking at this, it's working. It's working its way back up. It's not dumping on the weekend, which is a good thing. Usually that happens over the weekend. You get sell off in markets, in equity markets, Bitcoin, everything. But this case, it's holding up well. It broke this resistance that it made back here, this line that I had. And now it was sold off to it right here. And then this engulfing candle, so that's a bullish signal. Anytime you see engulfing candles, I know it's only on the 4-hourly, but let's take a look at the daily chart of it, see how it's looking. It's looking good. It's moving in between these moving averages. If it works above the moving averages that I have up here, the 13 and 34, just the 13-week and the 34-week moving averages, if it works up above it and we get a cross on the blue and red, that means it's going to be bullish. As long as the price is above where the cross is, it's going to be looking really good. And like I said, another engulfing candle right here, right in the buy zone, taking us out of the buy zone and well above this resistance line. And now it's just sitting on support, and it works its way above this support at 10.8. We're going to be looking really good. Let's take a look at the weekly. Just see the longer time frame. Same signals. It's looking good. I like how the wick is moved up off this. It's not looking like it's gonna close anywhere near the support, so that's bullish in my eyes. I think it's gonna continue to head up. So taking a look at ETH, as long as Bitcoin's moving up, ETH is definitely gonna be moving up. Even when Bitcoin's not moving up, ETH is gonna be moving up. The hype on ETH is insane. The DeFi space is popping. Kind of like how the 2017 run was fueled by ICOs. A lot of people said this is the start of this is fueled by DeFi, and the DeFi speculation, the interest rates, the yield farming, the massive gains you can have on the ETH ecosystem. So looking at this chart, it's looking not the best, but it's not looking bad. It's still sitting on support. 3 times it's sold off but wicked back up. Or wick down but filled back up. As long as Bitcoin doesn't sell off, this is going to work its way back up to this 500 range. And then after that, my next resistance that I have is at 750. Obviously, we're going to have resistance at big even numbers like 600, 650. But, I mean, there's not going to be much sell pressure once we start breaking these key resistance. Understand the coming currency Cold War. Will the future of currency be led by US, China, Bitcoin, or some combination we could barely imagine today? A multi-currency scenario where exchange is abstracted away via digital wallets, a China-led scenario, a US-led scenario, a Bitcoin non-state currency-led scenario. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, what you guys think, how it's going to play out. My opinion, I think it's going to trend more towards the Bitcoin non-state currency led scenario. I think Bitcoin's going to be like the gold. It's going to be the reserve asset in the world going into the future after the US dollar gets knocked off its position for the reserve currency. I think Bitcoin's going to replace it, and I don't see Bitcoin losing that spot for a long time because just the scarcity of it, how safe it is. It's decentralized, truly decentralized. So, I mean, that's just the next wave of currency, in my opinion. Jack Dorsey details Twitter blockchain strategy at Oslo Freedom Forum. So this is pretty cool. When Bitcoin and Square CEO Jack Dorsey spoke at a virtual Freedom Forum 2020 on Friday, he said blockchain technology is the future of Twitter. Blockchain and Bitcoin point to a world where content exists forever. Dorsey said, we're not in the content hosting business anymore. We're in the discovery business. So in short, Jack Dorsey expects the nonprofit Blue Sky to create an open Twitter protocol which users can contribute to and access data from, instead of a centralized service where the social media platform hosts content on its website. It's a completely separate nonprofit from the company. Twitter, Jack Dorsey said, we'll focus on becoming a client of it so we could build a compelling service and business where anyone can access and anyone can contribute. Twitter is on board with blockchain. Jack Dorsey is a big endorser of Bitcoin, and this is just some great news. So first movers, Tron play for Wrap BTC shows competition to relieve Ethereum congestion. Because if you use the Ethereum network, you know the fees are crazy, especially during hot hours where everyone's trading on it. Paired with traditional finance systems, the cryptocurrency industry is evolving fast. Technologists are experimenting with the vast-reaching potential of blockchain, and regulations is typically immature, inconsistent, and unevenly applied across international borders, allowing entrepreneurs to move fast and break things as it were. But there's also no shortage of competition. The latest example coming from CoinDesk, Ian Allison, who reported Thursday that Tron, the 3-year-old blockchain owned by Justin Sun, the crypto executive who paid $4.5 million to have a meal with Warren Buffett, has entered into a strategic alliance with custody specialist BitGo to accommodate Wrap Bitcoin. So Wrap Bitcoin is a tokenized version of the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, so it can move easily on a non-Bitcoin blockchain. It's become popular among users of the Ethereum blockchain, which kind of clog up the network and make the fees therefore higher, partly because the traders can deposit the tokens in various decentralized finance or DeFi applications to receive juicy interest rates. So this is awesome for the Tron network. I know me, I personally have some Tron. I have a Tron bag because I believe in the technology. It's essentially Ethereum 2.0 before Ethereum 2.0. It's already faster. It's way cheaper. I mean, you literally, it's insane. You guys, if you don't know about the Tron network, do some research. Super fast, super clean, elegant. I mean, Tron network is nothing to be messed with. But all the developers tend to be on Ethereum. But with this Wrap Bitcoin coming to Tron and Wrapped ETH gonna be coming to Tron, I see a lot of people gonna be checking out the network, and I don't know if they're gonna leave it if Ethereum can't pick up the pace on ETH 2.0 and get gas fees down. Because right now, the rich are really running Ethereum. Because if you're not making huge profits, there's no point to even transact because you're going to be losing money on the transactions, the fees that you pay. But that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another video. This is Daily Crypto Vault. Catch you guys in the next one.